Hello friends, welcome to Magic Storytime channel. Long ago, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a wise and noble king. In his garden stood a tree with shining golden apples. But every night, one apple would disappear. The king grew worried. He called his 3 sons and said, "Go and guard the tree. Find out who is stealing my golden apples." That night, the eldest son stood watch. But as soon as midnight came, he fell asleep. In the morning, one golden apple was gone. The second son tried the next night. But he too fell asleep. Again, an apple was missing. Finally, the youngest son, who was kind and clever, said, "Father, let me guard the tree." The king agreed. That night, the youngest son hid under the branches. At midnight, a dazzling golden bird flew down. Its feathers glowed like fire and its wings sparkled like the sun. The bird pecked at the apples. Quick as lightning, the prince grabbed his bow and shot an arrow. It did not hit the bird, but one golden feather fell to the ground. The next morning, the prince brought the feather to the king. "This feather," said the king, "is worth more than my whole kingdom. I must have the golden bird itself." So, the eldest son set out to find the bird. On his way, he met a little fox who said, "Take the small rod and you will find the bird, but do not go into the inn or you will be tricked." But the eldest son laughed and ignored the fox. He went into the inn, ate and drank too much and forgot his quest. The second son tried. He too met the fox and he too ignored the warning. Soon he was trapped in the inn as well. At last, the youngest son set out. He met the fox who said, "If you listen to me, you will find the golden bird. Ride on my tail and I will carry you swiftly." The prince obeyed. Together, they flew across the forests and mountains. Finally, they reached a castle where the golden bird was kept in a golden cage. "Take the bird," whispered the fox, "but leave the golden cage. If you touch it, you will be caught." The prince crept into the castle. He saw the golden bird sleeping. But the shining golden cage was so beautiful he could not resist. The moment he touched it, bells rang loudly. Guards rushed in and captured him. The next morning, the king of the castle said, "You may have the golden bird, but only if you bring me the golden horse that runs faster than the wind." The prince was sad, but the fox appeared again. "Don't worry, I'll help you. When you find the horse, take it from the plain wooden saddle, not the golden one." The prince found the horse, but again, the golden saddle tempted him. The moment he touched it, guards caught him. The king of the land said, "You may have the golden horse, but if you bring me the princess from the golden castle." The prince sighed, "How will I ever succeed?" The fox appeared again and said, "Do not fear, follow me." Together, They reached the golden castle. The princess was kind and beautiful with eyes like stars. She agreed to go to the prince, for she too wished for freedom. The fox helped them escape. On their way back, the fox said, "Now you may take the horse, for the princess has broken the spell, and now the golden bird will also be yours." And it was true. The prince brought the princess, the horse, and the golden bird safely home. But his jealous brothers were waiting. They tricked him, beat him, and left him lying unconscious. They took the treasures for themselves. Yet the fox came once more. It licked the wounds of the prince, and he woke up. When the king saw his youngest son alive, the golden bird sang, the golden horse neighed, and the princess smiled. The truth was revealed. The king banished the wicked brothers. The youngest prince married the princess, and they lived happily ever after with the golden bird singing joyfully in the royal garden. Moral of the story: kindness, courage, and listening to good advice bring success. Greed and pride lead only to failure.